The internet is abuzz with the latest developments surrounding Elon Musk's $6,789 compact home finally making its way to the market. If successful, this budget-friendly housing solution could go beyond just cost savings. It could signify a groundbreaking shift in tackling one of America's biggest challenges: affordable housing. As property values keep climbing and wages stagnate, the prospect of owning a home is slipping away for many. Musk's vision for these accessible homes introduces a transformative approach, potentially making homeownership feasible for first-time buyers and individuals facing financial constraints. If he can fulfill his ambitious objectives, these compact homes could redefine the way millions perceive property ownership. So, how did this tiny home concept come to fruition, and what exactly does it bring to the table? Let's explore everything there is to know. Elon Musk has already revolutionized the automotive, aerospace, and energy industries through Tesla, SpaceX, and Solar City. Now, he is setting his sights on another crucial societal issue: affordable housing. Musk envisions a future where homes are not only accessible but also sustainable, modular, and tailored for modern living. The idea was developed in collaboration with Boxable, a company specializing in modular foldable housing. These compact homes are designed to be cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and easy to assemble, offering an appealing alternative for first-time buyers, renters, and those looking to downsize. With a base cost of $6,789, Musk aims to make homeownership a reality for a wider range of people. Musk's $6,789 home introduces an inventive and affordable solution for those looking for a budget-conscious, sustainable, and adaptable living space. Developed with Boxable, this 375-square-foot dwelling is designed to provide maximum functionality within a limited area, making it a great fit for first-time buyers, downsizers, or environmentally conscious renters. Inside, the living space is efficiently structured, featuring multi-purpose furniture that serves as seating while also doubling as storage. Every fixture and furnishing is chosen with efficiency and comfort in mind, creating a cozy yet adaptable atmosphere for contemporary lifestyles. The kitchen area, though compact, doesn't compromise on essentials. It includes a durable 2-burner induction cooktop, a 3.1 cubic foot energy-efficient mini-fridge, and a stainless steel sink with high-quality finishes. Cleverly designed storage ensures there's enough space for cookware and utensils, minimizing clutter. The bathroom, despite its small footprint, offers a surprising level of convenience. It includes a full-size shower with water-saving features, a compact eco-friendly toilet, and a well-designed sink, ensuring efficiency without sacrificing comfort. Sustainability is a key aspect of the design. The home incorporates high-performance insulation with an R24 rating for the walls and R40 for the roof, reducing heat transfer and lowering the need for heating and cooling. Optional solar panel integration provides an opportunity to power the home almost entirely off-grid, cutting utility expenses and lowering its environmental impact. Buyers can also personalize elements such as cabinetry, flooring, and finishes, allowing each home to reflect the owner's individual style. One of the most remarkable aspects of Musk's $6,789 home is its simplicity in assembly. Thanks to Boxable's cutting-edge foldable modular technology, construction is streamlined and efficient. Each unit, when expanded, measures approximately 375 square feet but can be compactly folded to just 8 feet in width for transport. This enables delivery via a standard truck, reducing logistical costs and making the transportation process much more straightforward. Upon arrival at the designated location, the home can be expanded and set up on a prepared foundation in just 24 hours, allowing homeowners to move in quickly compared to traditional construction timelines. While conventional homes can take anywhere from 6 months to over a year to complete, Musk's compact home can be assembled and made livable within a single day. Moreover, with traditional construction costs in the U.S. averaging between $150 and $250 per square foot, this tiny home's affordability, at just $18.10 per square foot, offers a significant financial advantage. The setup process involves professional assembly teams that connect the home to essential utilities, including a 200-amp electrical service, water supply, and sewage systems. Additionally, the home is designed with a standard 30-amp power outlet for optimized energy consumption. The rapid installation, combined with lower labor expenses due to its modular design, makes it a viable option for individuals on a limited budget who still seek quality housing. Beyond individual residences, this modular approach opens up possibilities for larger communities of compact homes. Competing brands like Living Homes and Tiny Heirloom offer prefabricated housing options starting at around $50,000. But these often lack the rapid assembly and transportability that Musk's design provides. Additionally, the increasing popularity of tiny home communities signifies a growing movement toward minimalist living. However, Musk's model has the potential to revolutionize this segment by offering not only affordability, but also speed and convenience. As the demand for cost-effective housing solutions grows, Musk's innovative home design not only tackles immediate housing needs but also introduces a more sustainable and efficient way of living. If widely adopted, this concept could influence urban planning and housing development, making it an attractive prospect for potential homeowners and investors alike. The $6,789 price tag is certainly appealing, but what does it actually include? The base price covers the core structure, featuring a living space, kitchen, and bathroom. However, optional upgrades can drive up the cost. For example, adding solar panels may range from $4,000 to $8,000, depending on the system's size, while upgrading interior finishes could add anywhere from $100 to $3,000. These enhancements allow buyers to personalize their home while still maintaining affordability compared to traditional properties. It's crucial to factor in land costs, which are not included in the home's price. Land prices vary widely based on location, with rural land potentially costing between $3,000 and $10,000 per acre, whereas small urban plots can exceed $100,000. This makes it essential for prospective buyers to evaluate land prices in their area. Additionally, utility connections can introduce extra expenses. On average, these setup costs range from $1,500 to $5,000, depending on the property's existing infrastructure and local regulations. If the location lacks proper utility access, additional investments for trenching and upgrades can reach $10,000 or more, making site evaluation a critical step before purchasing. While the home itself is cost-effective, transportation and installation expenses should also be considered. These costs typically range from $500 to $2,500, depending on the distance from the manufacturing site. Despite these additional expenses, Musk's tiny home remains an incredibly budget-friendly alternative to conventional properties. The average home price in the U.S. hovers around $400,000, with typical mortgage payments exceeding $1,500 per month. In contrast, this compact home presents a low-cost, low-maintenance housing solution that could dramatically reduce housing expenses, particularly for first-time buyers and those with financial limitations. While the concept is promising, certain challenges need to be addressed for it to become a mainstream housing option. Zoning regulations are one of the biggest obstacles. Many municipalities enforce strict rules regarding the types of housing permitted, making it difficult to secure approval for compact homes, especially in urban settings. Without modifications to these regulations, finding suitable locations for such residences may prove challenging. Another consideration is financing. Traditional mortgage lenders typically cater to conventional housing, meaning new financial solutions may be required to make these compact homes accessible to a wider audience. This could involve specialized loan options designed to support tiny homeownership. As Musk continues pushing the boundaries of innovation, this initiative has the potential to drive significant change in the housing market, providing opportunities for individuals who have been priced out of homeownership. If successful, this housing model could redefine what it means to own a home, making sustainable and affordable living a reality for millions.